way to Faridabad. Actual distance is 48 km. But let me see how long I can go. And here's me. And there's a road around. Hey, you want to see my face? 6 a.m. babe, sorry. Apologize. So there's a red light. Let me slow down. Ta-da! So here, we just reached here in the middle of summer. I don't know. But how can I miss this morning? And this guy who's going in front of me must be going to his work every day like this far where there's no one. I'm so grateful that I don't have to go to my work like this every single day. I'm so happy for him. Not really, but you know what I mean. At least I've got a cycle and him too. Hello भैया, भैया मेरा साइकिल पंचर है क्या? है? ठीक है, बस thank you. I don't know if my cycle is punctured because that happened yesterday, so just making sure it isn't today because I can't see back. I don't know, and I don't want to stop also. Namaste भैया. Good morning भैया. आप कैसे हो? आप रोज साइकिल करने जाते हो क्या? क्या बात है? कितने किलोमीटर है? 8-9. ठीक है भैया, आपका दिन शुभ रहे. बाय बाय. And yes, here we go. I don't know if you can see me or see the road, and it's so beautiful. Oh my God! I just want to say, get out from your comfort zone or get out from your bed. Here is the Twin Tower, guys. So my chain just came off the whatever the thing is, and I had to fix it. And this is my first stop. I just see someone going. Wow, cool. And here's my first stop. So I've done 9 kilometers, and this is the story that Neil Patel he talks about, where you don't need a traffic in India. A cow can be. I'm just kidding, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead. See you guys. I saw a guy just went by on cycle and he's like standing up and paddling. I can't do that right now. This is my first sip of water in the morning. I had one when I started at 6, so I'm gonna have 2 to 3 more. I think it will be almost like 10-11 kilometers. Should I go back? Or maybe like 2-3 more kilometers and then I go back. I wish I can do like 15 front, 15 this way and 15 that way, so that would be like how many? 30? Wow, that will be my record. These trucks are really scary. I mean, like they're coming like swan. They don't even care. I'm just a cyclist and a girl or a woman, whatever. Woman, of course. But it's beautiful, man. It's green everywhere. Just look. Hey guys, so I guess I don't have to pay anything, but still I can go further. It's like Mayweather saying how much Conor can take it. It's same like how much I can go. It's not about how much I can go further. I can go further, I sure, but I don't know how to get back. Come on. So I guess this is my spot, and I'm going to sit here for like 15 minutes and time lapse here, 10 minutes. Standing right in the middle of the road. Ha ha ha. When there will be less people, then I'm gonna cross. This highway is so long. Hey guys, so I just stopped here. I've done 23 kilometers and I'm really tired, but not that much. I had a sip of water. The worst thing about this time returning is so many traffic. So I'm just trying to speed up maximum and get back home, not make so many videos. So this is my first stop. Oh gosh. Wow. I just fell down. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. गिर गया था बैलेंस कोई बात नहीं थैंक यू भैया my chain is broke ouch so as you saw I just fell down so here is the thing and my gloves is almost torn and I have some scratch inside and I think I hurt somewhere here also but I'm fine. I just fixed my cycle. It's not broken actually, it's just out of way. All good. Please. I'm going back. I think I have 3 more kilometers or 4 more. Ta-da! I hope I inspired you all and I wish you all a very happy good day.